So if you want to see how I created this look using the Revolution Cranberries and Chocolate Bar palette, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I've gone and put concealer on one eye. So this here is the palette with the packaging, and for those of you who are concerned, it has a 12-month shelf life, and it says that it is 18 times 0.035 ounces or 1 gram each pan. So this is the palette itself. I did do like an unboxing video, and I did swatch the colors also. Now, as I said, I don't really get cranberry vibes, to be fair. I really don't. Anyway, I'm going to go in with Enticing first. And even though I'm just kind of like going with the flow and just, you know, seeing what happens, I kind of can already anticipate what my eyes are going to kind of look like by the end of this, because it's a very warm toned brown, natural, neutral kind of palette. So I kind of feel like there's only so much you'll be able to achieve with it. Can't deny this is a really nice brown color, and that blended out really, really well. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Wine here, and I'm going to take that in the actual crease itself just to deepen it up a little bit. Now on a crease brush, I'm going to take Cocoa, and Scorched together, because that's like a real deep kind of brown shade. I'm going to go on the outer V. Now you see the shimmers, these red shimmers literally look very, very similar. These red shimmers kind of look very similar to one another, especially Festive and Cosmopolitan. They're literally the same thing. It's almost as if Cosmopolitan is a cross between Divine and Festive. I don't know why companies do that. It's like, I found that with the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette, there was like 3 pinks in there, and one of them just looked like a cross between the other 2. So it's like, why do you need to have 3 of them? You just, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with Festive. Now back in with that Scorched color, just to define the outer V a little bit. Okay, yeah, it's kind of like how I had anticipated it to be. Just a warm red brown kind of look. I'm gonna go complete my makeup and then I'll be right back. So I've gone ahead and done the rest of my makeup. I did the lower lash line using Scorched and Wine, and then I went in on the inner corner using Heavenly. Now I knew kind of what the look was going to look like when I opened this up, and I saw that it was just like a very warm chocolatey reddish brown neutral natural palette. I kind of don't feel like you're gonna get lots of versatility out of this palette. I don't think that it makes it a bad palette at all, because a lot of people like to have warm, natural, neutral shades, and I'm completely down for that. But I just kind of feel like this is like the epitome of that look. And I guess for people who have a strict dress code when it comes to work and what they're allowed to wear on their eyes at work, if you go to like college or university and you just want to have a quick little eye look or whatever, or even if your go-to shadows are these kinds of shades, then this will be perfect for you. For somebody who's looking for something a little bit more out of the box, unfortunately this is not going to, you know, this is not going to hit the mark for yourself. I don't see myself pulling for this palette a lot after I use it this time round. It's probably just going to go into the collection, into the vault, and gonna probably sit there for a little while. Okay, I'm not even gonna front, I'm not even gonna lie about it. But yeah, also as I said, I don't see Cranberries, I don't see any of that. I mean, Cranberries I feel are more red, a little bit more of a vibrant kind of red, if I'm correct. I don't see that with this. I just see it as like a warm chocolate palette, and I feel like they have a couple of other palettes which are similar to this, so I might do a comparison as well. Let me know what you think. I don't feel like this is anything to go crazy for. I really don't. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.